What's going on, everybody? Today's episode we have more rust repair on the Mustang. I've gotten a ton of work done on the Mustang frame. There's only a little bit left I have to do before I can go ahead and paint that and have that finished off. We start focusing on getting the motor in there, getting the mounts and the exhaust run. But the one thing I have to do, this is the passenger side, which, albeit a little bit rusty, is still pretty much intact, so we didn't have to do this side. And this piece right here, it's got this flange on the side here and is welded in, I need to create on the other side. As you can see, we're missing that piece over here, so I'm gonna have to cut that up and bend some pieces here and weld that, and then weld into here just to tie that in. The problem is, in here is a gap and the bolt goes through here, so we needed some kind of a spacer. However, I was able to find this black steel pipe right here. It's a 1/2 inch by 8, and I can go ahead and cut that just long enough so it fits in there. The top plate will go over top and the bolt will slide right through. So what I'm gonna do with this is go ahead and drill it out roughly where I've marked. I'm gonna place it in there, and then I'm gonna spot weld like they do from the factory. I did notice there was some rust on the passenger side shock tower, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my angle grinder and grind that off, apply some Bondo so we can sand that and paint it with the rest of it. Since the last time I did some Bondo, I went ahead and upgraded to this new disposable sheet tray. This is gonna make it so much easier to do Bondo because after you're done, you just peel it off and throw it away. Plus, it doesn't absorb any of the moisture, which helps keep it in the Bondo and last on the car. Let's get to it. Now that the Bondo is done curing, I'm gonna grab my DA sander with 220 grit and sand it down. So in fitting the wiring harness, I had to make sure that I had some room right here because the fuse box is right here. So I actually had to knock this out. I'm gonna cut this out right here and bend up some new metal. I went ahead and sanded down all the metal work, and I put another coat of finished Bondo on there. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and I'm gonna sand that down, and we should be done with the engine bay area. That's going to be it for today's video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Next week, we will make motor mounts and get the engine in the car for good. I'm TJ Rebuild. Until next time.